Today we are designing our own symmetrical positives and negatives. Your first choice is Batman. Your second choice is the faces. Butterflies are the third option. Or you could get creative and design your own. Cut out the shape and unfold it for a symmetrical positive and negative. First, take out the black sheet of paper. It's folded in half like a card, so it opens and closes like a book. Hold it vertically. And let's start with Batman. It will look like this right before you cut it. First, look in the box for the Batman tracers. This is the first one, and this is the other part. These tracers have the word fold written on them. The word fold has to go on the fold. This one has the word fold too, and it has to go on the fold. Hold it down and use a pencil to trace it. If someone else needs the same tracer, please pass it on to them as soon as you're finished. When you take the tracers away, you can see we have the bat symbol. If you want the Batman project, do that and then put the tracers away. To make the faces, there are actually two different tracers you can use. One is the positive and the other is the negative, the empty space. Either one will work. The negative has the word fold written on it. The fold is here on this side. So I have to line that up and then I can hold it down and trace around it. But the positive will work as well. The positive has the word open on it. The word open aligns with the way the book opens. So line that up if you're using the positive, hold it down and trace it. And when you're finished, put your tracers back in the box. The butterfly design also has two tracers. One is a positive, like this, and the other is the negative, like this. Either one will work. If you're using the negative, the word fold lines up with the folded side. That's over here. And the word open aligns with how the book opens, like that. So line it up, hold it down so it can't move, and trace around it. You can also do the same thing with the positive if that's the shape that you have. It has the word fold on it, so align the tracer shape with the fold in the paper, hold it down, and trace around it. When you're done and you have the shape, put the tracers back in the box. If you're feeling creative today, you can also design your own. You could try to make it look like something we could recognize or just draw your own idea. You could even draw a random line. It can be complicated or simple. This line is pretty simple, and when I cut it out and unfold it, I know it's going to make a heart. For design your own, you don't need any tracers at all, you just draw it. Keep in mind that you're going to have to cut this out all in one piece with scissors, so make sure you design something that you'll be able to cut. Now, do your tracing and then stop. Now, cut exactly on the line. Don't throw anything away, and don't cut it up into little bits. Make sure you're cutting through both thicknesses of paper, so hold the two thicknesses closed and cut both thicknesses together. Be careful to stay right on the line. And when you open it up, your design will create symmetry. You'll have a design that's the same on both sides. Now, start cutting and then stop. Now we're ready to create the symmetrical positives and negatives, like these, or these, or these, or you could use your own design. I like to put the glue on the side that does have the traces of pencil to try to cover the pencil up, and we'll be using the glue in the bottle. Don't scribble with the glue, draw an outline. It's like you're drawing a line with the glue. Don't get it too close to the edge or it might drip off. I'll bring your marble painted paper and you just have to flip it and carefully align it. You may have to hold the symmetry paper down for a moment to allow the glue to bond. And then you can do the other part. I can see traces of pencil, so this is the side where I'll put the glue. So don't scribble with the glue, just draw a line. And I will bring your marble painted paper. And you can carefully line up your symmetrical design. Hold them down to allow the glue to bond. And this project is going to need to go into the drying rack. So fit your artwork side by side on the placemat and you can bring it up when you're ready. Once you've lined up your artwork on the placemat, please close your glue bottle and you can return the scissors to the basket. Work hard and have fun, kids.